Hey friends, if you wish to create a line chart and scatter plot graph in Excel, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So we have raw data here, right? I have selected all of this raw data. These are the names of a few students and this is their marks in English, Maths, History and Geography. First of all, select the data for which you need the graph. Now go to the Insert tab and in the chart section you'll find two options. These are very similar to each other. I'll tell you what is the difference. In the scatter plot graph you have dots which may or may not be joined, and in the line chart you have dots which may not even have dots, but they have lines which give you the solution to the problem. So this is the line chart. Now in the line chart, we do have points. We do have these points, these kinks, and they tell you where the graph is moving to a different direction. But it doesn't have points as such. And the scatter plot graph is very similar. We can go to this option here. This is called the scatter plot graph. And let's say I need these dots. So instead of those lines, it will show dots. And if you want these dots joined, then we can use this option. Now see the difference as I hover over these. In the first one, no lines. In this one, they have lines. And in the third one, it has curves. So it is a little different from the line graph because the lines are absolute lines, but this makes it curves. Okay, so this is the best form of a scatter plot graph. You can see the difference between them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.